Maharashtra government has now issued an order, and this is a scathing order, indicating that stern action is to taken against heads of municipalities across cities, private hospitals in Mumbai, rest of the state as well, for either refusing or delaying treatment or admission of a COVID-19 or even non-COVID patients, causing a delay in the treatment or holding ambulances for a long time. Let's get further clarity on this here. We have with us our Deputy News Editor Mayuresh getting us those details. Mayuresh, this is an order that's come in for all municipalities across the state, not just in dealing with COVID-19 patients, not causing that delay, but this is taking into account non-COVID patients as well.
Certainly, there are a lot of complaints that state government was receiving that non-COVID patients are not getting treatment in the hospital, and that's why Maharashtra government has issued this new order, which clearly said that the mobilization of ambulances within the Mumbai limit should be controlled centrally by the disaster management cell, because in Mumbai, a lot of patients were complaining they are not getting the ambulances after calling the 108, which is the hotline number. Further, this order said that any patient entering into the hospital premises for any treatment of COVID or non-COVID element should be immediately checked into the casualty or the screening clinic after that patient comes to the hospital, and that patient should get the treatment, whether he is a COVID patient, non-COVID patient. Also, the order talks about the patient, the non-COVID patient, which are with a comorbid element. They have also been, the SOP needs to be there by prescribed by the state government. That's the order says. So certainly it's a very harsh order on the part of the doctors and the medical services.
Okay. Yes, that's important here, because we'd seen in other cases which were non-COVID patients, they were not getting medical treatment even if it was urgent in nature. The entire force which was focused only on corona patients, now this is coming for both patients. Others would need to be treated well in time as well. Mayuresh, thank you for getting us those inputs.